Sami's crazy.
Oh my God.
Sami, why did you bring the bike here?
Oh yeah. Today because we wanna test one feature from the Pura 70 Ultra. It has that ultra fast flash shooting feature. So I want to test like if we spin the wheel to see if we can take clear of the picture of the text here. This is what? This is subscribe. Yeah, definitely subscribe to Sami's channel and my channel. By the way, this I will do a full review about this bike, Tornado. That's for the future, for the next video.
And if you are very interested in this one, this bike is really interesting. It's for those who carry a lot of stuff. Yeah. And you can be like this, use it for work, home, everything, right?
Everything. Just carry it, you know.
Just check out the video will be coming out soon.
Yeah, but first, let's check the snapshot thing. Let's get started. Okay, I think it's enough.
Enough.
Let's check.
Wow!
Did you see that?
It was really blurred.
Wow!
This is really, really good. Really incredible.
You can see the subscriber. Wow! You can see the subscriber so clear.
And when they take the photo, it was like blur. But after the process, it's really nice. All of them, right?
Yeah.
Wow, incredible.
Incredible. Now let's check out other phones.
Yeah. Some of them is not bad.
Yeah, not bad. But you can see the
blur.
But maybe one or two is good. You see this?
Yeah.
This too blur.
Too blur.
Too blur.
Yeah.
Yeah. See? Okay. Now the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yay!
We took several photos. Oh, not bad.
Not bad?
Not bad.
Not bad.
No, I think all of them is good, in fact.
Yeah, iPhone, not bad job, actually.
All the photos become very clear.
But if you maybe zoom in, you can see the subtle blur.
Ah, yeah, not so clear as the...
Yeah, the Huawei.
Yeah.
Still Huawei the best.
Yeah, but not bad. I think this is the second good one, right?
Yeah. No, Samsung S24 Ultra!
It tried to make it better.
So maybe just wait a little bit, take some time to process.
The first one processed, but I think now this one will not process more.
Okay.
Very blur, right?
Very blur. Very strange. Okay. I thought Samsung would do a better job.
Yeah. Until now, I think Huawei was crazy good.
Yeah.
iPhone was better than I expected.
Yeah.
And Samsung is like, what happened?
Not even one single clear picture.
Yeah, but you know, like in my mind, every time Samsung photos are really nice, right?
Yeah, not bad.
Not bad.
Not bad.
But what happened? Do you think there is any other function?
But we're taking this kind of auto mode, you know.
Yeah, this is also true. Maybe. I don't know. I just get a little confused right now. Let's keep testing the other phones. Yeah. So this one is OPPO Find X7 Ultra, right?
Yep.
And we found a sport mode, so we need to turn on this one. So let's go.
Go!
Yeah, I think it is good.
Not bad.
Yeah, very clear, right?
Not bad, not bad.
Oh, this one is really clear.
Yeah, clear. OPPO not bad.
Really not bad.
Yeah. OPPO does a better job than I think.
Now we will test Xiaomi 14 Ultra, and this one also has a sport mode. But here in the sport mode, we also have this kind of motion track.
Okay, let's check this part.
Yeah.
And see how. Let's go!
But the tracking mode just keep the tracking lock
keep this mode.
In this part. Yeah. So I don't think the result will be good.
But let's check out.
Yeah, it's still the same.
Yeah, the same. Very strange, right?
Yeah.
Because I have high expectation because we turn on the sports mode.
The sport mode.
Maybe not as good as iPhone even.
Yeah.
Do you think so?
I think even iPhone was not.
Yeah, iPhone not bad, but
Yeah, I thought it would be worse.
yeah. Okay, that's it.